Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is the overzeit means timings. Okay, the overzeit timings. Okay, before starting this topic, we need to first understand some certain terms. Okay, for example, for, nak and all. Okay, for means before. Yes, for means before. Nak means after. Okay, for means before, nak means after or past, which thing is gone. Okay, and fiertel means 15 minutes. Okay, fiertel means 15 minutes. Halb means 30 minutes. Morgen means am. Abend means pm. Course means short of, and hour means o'clock. Okay, hour means o'clock. Okay, these are certain terms. Okay, now there are two types of timing. First is informal timing and second is formal timing. Okay, now for informal timing, if you want to say 8 o'clock, okay, so you all know what we say 8 in German, that is 8. And right now I told you for hour we have the word, for o'clock we have the word hour, so 8 o'clock. Okay, hour means o'clock. Yes, you can see here 8 o'clock. Okay, like this. Now from here 8:05, how we say act. Okay, how we say this timing. So this thing you can see in this picture. Okay, 5 minutes already gone from 8. Yes, so 5 nach 8. 5 means 5 and nach means gone. So I told you for nach, this one, it's gone. Yes, so after 8, 5 nach 8. Okay, like this. Again for 8:15. Okay, you can see in the picture 8:15, how many minutes left? Gone 15 minutes. So viertel, I told you the word for 15 here. For 15 the word is viertel. So viertel nach 8. Okay, like this. Again same way for 8:20. Okay, you can see here how many minutes gone? 20 minutes gone. So 20. 20 minutes nach 8. Okay, same way for 8:25. How many minutes gone? 25. Yes, so 25 nach 8. Like this. This concept I will tell you afterwards. Okay, like this. Now whatever this nach we use when we are talking about before 30 minutes. Okay, like after 8:30 the concept will going to change. This nach we are going to use before 8:30. Now for 8:30, how we say 8:30? Okay, for 8:30 we say halb 9. Okay, halb means 30 minutes. I told you here halb means 30 minutes. Okay, so what does this means? This means halb 9 means 30 minutes left for 9. You can see here now 30 minutes for 9. Yes, so halb 9, like this we say in informal timing. Okay, halb 9. Okay, now for 8:35, how we say for 8:35? See here, this one 25. 25 means here how many minutes left? Now for 9, 25 minutes left. So 25 for 9. Okay, 25 minutes left for 9. We say in a 4. Okay, 25 minutes 4 or 2 for 9, like this. Okay, now this turn, what is I told you about halb 9? What is halb 9 means? This one, halb 9 means 8:30. Yeah, halb 9 means 8:30. Now 5 nach halb 9 means, what does this means here? It means that for 5 means 5. You can see here 5. So 5 minutes gone. Okay, from 8:30, like this. Okay, and this one after 8:30 I told you we are going to use for, so 25 for 9. Okay, okay. Now again for 8:40, I told you, you can see the picture, how many minutes left. For now for 9 it is 20 minutes left. For 9, yes, you can see here 20 minutes left. So 20 for 9. For 8:45 again, how many minutes left? 15 minutes. And for 15 minutes we have the word fair tale, yes, which I told you here, fair tale. Yes, so fair tale for 9, 15 minutes for 9. Again 8:50, how many minutes left? 10 minutes. Yes, so it's Zen for 9. Same way for 8:30, 8:55, so 5 for 9, like this, 5 minutes. Okay students, this one is the informal timing. Now formal time. Okay, in formal timing it is all about 24 hours. Okay, whenever we say, we always say in a 24 hours timing. Okay, for example, when it is 20 hour, okay, 20 is there. So again in informal it is 8 o'clock, but in formal it is 20. So what we say 20 in German, that is 20 and Uhr, means 20 Uhr means 20 o'clock. Okay, again 20:05, how we say this one? 25. Again 20 Uhr 5, this one 20 means 20, and for 5 it is 5, 20 Uhr 5, like this. Okay, again for 2015, how we say 2015? 20 Uhr 15. Okay, again for 2020, 20 Uhr 20. 2025, 20 Uhr 25, like this. Formal time is little bit easy compared to informal. Okay, there is no confusion. Okay, in this one, for example 2030, so 20 Uhr 30. Okay, 2035, 20 Uhr 35. 2040, 20 Uhr 40, and so on. Okay, like this. For example, this one, 2055, how is it? 2055, 20 Uhr 55, like this. Okay, it's easy only. Okay, this is the difference between formal timing and informal timing. Okay, I hope now it's clear to you. Okay, why we have done this topic? Because right now we are on chapter 5 of NetZUI, and in that chapter, like in Arbait's book, in course book, this topic is, they are covering this topic. That's why we discussed today this topic. Okay, I hope now the timing is, the timing topic is clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment. Okay, thank you. Auf Wiedersehen.